All right, guys, I've got it here. The first 2022 model GasGas. And this is actually a new model for this year. It's the EC250, where last year they only did the 300s. So they're also doing a MX 250, I guess, which is the motocross 252 stroke. But let's go check out these ECs. Alright guys, here it is, the 2022 GasGas assembled. So far, I haven't been able to find any differences from 2021, except for obviously this model wasn't offered in 2021. This is the EC250. Definitely looks sharp. Let me show you what you get extra with the GasGases. So, you get your fuel pump dongle. You get the other cam for the throttle, a couple fuel filters, and a few extra bolts. And you get this toolkit here. In this toolkit, you get a hex and a 6mm, pliers, a 10, a 13, a 7, another 10 wrench, some sockets. There's some Torx heads in here, and then you get your axle wrenches. And then it all folds up neatly, has the part number. So, yeah. This is the first GasGas we've got in, but we expect these to be rolling in throughout August and September, and maybe even later. So definitely do your research, because one of these may fit you better than a KTM. Some of these have slightly different stators or flywheels, so they just might work better for whatever you need. But they're definitely sharp looking machines. Alright guys, we're outside in the Appalachia sun, and you can get a better look at this thing out here. So MSRP, I believe, on these is $95.50. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start this thing up, let you guys listen to it and get a good look around it. Alright guys, just a reminder, this is our first 2022 model, so make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the other 2022 models as they come in. I'll try to get you guys a walk around and startup sound of each one. So if you're interested in the GasGas, I think we have 2 EC250s available as of the publishing date of this video. So email sales@aomc.mx, just tell them you saw the MX Gurus video, and yeah, they will hook you up. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.